For centuries, nature has provided us with remedies hidden within its lush greenery. Join me as I unlock the secrets of herbal healing, your guide to discovering the power of plants for wellness and vitality. Herbal medicine has been used across cultures, from traditional Chinese medicine to Ayurveda and Native American healing practices. Today, we blend ancient wisdom with modern science to harness the full potential of nature's pharmacy. Let's explore some powerful herbs and their incredible benefits. Turmeric, a golden spice with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Used for joint pain, digestion, and boosting immunity. Ginger, a warming root known to aid digestion, relieve nausea, and improve circulation. Chamomile, a calming flower often used to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote restful sleep. Echinacea, a powerful immune booster, commonly used to fight colds and infections. Peppermint, a refreshing herb that soothes digestive issues and headaches. Lavender, a fragrant plant that helps with relaxation, stress relief, and skin health. Incorporating herbs into your daily routine is simple and effective. Here are some common ways to use them. Herbal teas. Steep dried or fresh herbs in hot water for a soothing and medicinal drink. Tinctures, concentrated herbal extracts made by soaking herbs in alcohol or glycerin. Salves and balms, herbal-infused oils blended with beeswax to create natural skin-healing remedies. Essential oils, potent extracts used in aromatherapy, massage, and natural cleaning products. Culinary uses, incorporate herbs into cooking for both flavor and health benefits. While herbs are powerful allies in health, they must be used wisely. Consider these safety tips. Consult with a healthcare professional before using herbs, especially if pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Start with small doses and monitor your body's response. Ensure quality by sourcing from trusted suppliers. Understand potential interactions with other medications. Want to try herbal healing at home? Let's make a simple immune-boosting herbal tea. Steep herbs in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy. By reconnecting with nature's healing gifts, we empower ourselves to live healthier, more balanced lives. Unlock the secrets of herbal healing and experience the magic of nature's remedies. For more herbal wisdom, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay well, naturally.